Hi, everyone. Welcome to Starin's Tech Minute. We had a couple weeks off and now we're getting back into it. Now, this week, we're going to talk about an application that I was on the road and visited. It's an industrial application for mass notification. So here we go. Let's take a look at it. This facility is 4 square miles. The main building where you see all the white feeders in the center here going to, this main building, the floors are 14 floors at a quarter-mile long to give you a sense of scale. It was an amazing opportunity to see this facility and understand how they're using it. This is a coal-fired power plant. So you have coal coming in on the lower left side and power leaving on the right side. And they're responsible for a huge amount of power in the US. There's over 240 coal-fired facilities operating and providing clean energy through the US, and they all need advanced mass notification. And a number of them, like this one, are running on legacy, outdated, and non-functional systems. So here's a look at what they're currently running. These old horns with these old call boxes. And we were running through this facility 12-hour days, reviewing it on these wire grate floors through all the buildings. And some of the spaces were 115 dB. So we were wearing hearing protection, eye protection, hand protection, steel-toed boots, hard hats, and vests. It was really quite an experience, plus the masks. And when I would finish at the end of the day, I would have black marks from the coal inside the facility. So what we used was Informacast, Advanced Network Devices, Dynacord amps, and Community. Now, this is going to be finished in the next few months. It's a pretty impressive setup. The Informacast connects to all of their existing legacy Cisco phones that are on every desk in every office. They're able to set up multiple page zones. They're able to connect natively into the Advanced Network Devices endpoints. And we're able to use notification from software, content management. Informacast is really the pinnacle of notification platforms. Then we set up 3 different types of devices for advanced network. We have the administration offices around the facility that are running the ceiling tile drop-in speakers. Then we have the IP54 rated speakers that are being used in all of the low and mid volume or mid SPL locations throughout the facility. And then for the high SPL locations and outdoors, where we're covering parking lots and other spaces, we're using the A&D zone controller along with Dynacord networkable amps and IP55 rated horns that run 142 dB max output. So the idea behind this is really that we were able to create a solution that's safe, that has the coverage, that greatly improves their ability to notify their people in the case of emergency, but also in the case of process. So when they're running particular processes, they need to be able to notify their folks as well. So the A&D Informacast solution at the head end, and in the high SPL zones and outdoor zones, the Dynacord and Community solution. That's an overview of this. We're looking at thousands of speakers that are going into this. It's a pretty impressive application, but it shows you that A&D and Informacast is not just for education. You have the corporate and industrial sector that it fits equally as well. And you should definitely take a look at this and see how A&D and Informacast works in your particular vertical. Thanks, everyone. Have a wonderful week, and we'll talk to you again soon.